If you want to delete your search history on Google Chrome laptop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to clear your Chrome browsing history in just a few clicks, so you can remove old searches, visited websites, and keep your browser clean and private. This is a super useful trick, whether you're trying to tidy up your laptop, protect your privacy, or just start fresh with a clean browsing slate. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your laptop is set up. Once Chrome opens, you're ready for the quickest part of the process. Now, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This is the shortcut that opens the Clear Browsing Data window immediately. If it does not open right away, make sure all three keys are pressed together. Once the window appears, you'll see the options for deleting your browsing data. Next, look for the Time Range dropdown. This is where you decide how far back Chrome should delete your history. You can choose last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you want to completely remove everything, select All Time. That will clear the full browsing history stored in Chrome. After that, make sure you select Browsing History. This is the important checkbox that removes the websites you visited and your search history from Chrome. If you only want to delete search history and not other saved data, you can leave the other boxes unchecked and focus on browsing history. This keeps the cleanup simple and targeted. Once you've chosen the time range and checked browsing history, click Delete Data. Chrome will now remove the selected history from your laptop. Depending on how much data you have, this may take a few seconds. When it's finished, your search history and browsing history will be cleared from the browser. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your search history on Google Chrome laptop. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference if you want better privacy or just want to keep your browser organized. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.